your solution to maintaining impeccable air quality in bustling shopping malls. In the world of retail, where the atmosphere is as important as the merchandise, the air shoppers breathe can make all the difference between a casual visit and a memorable experience. Zaire, with a decade of mastery in crafting detection equipment and testing instruments, introduces a product that's as essential as the perfect display. Their commitment to delivering high-quality, high-performance laboratory apparatus is unparalleled, and their OEM customization options ensure that every shopping mall can offer an environment that's as inviting as the sales. The Retail Air Indoor CO2 Detector is more than just a gadget. It's a key to creating a space where every breath feels like a welcome. With its sleek design and precise monitoring, it helps maintain an atmosphere where every moment is as refreshing as finding that perfect item on sale. Imagine a mall where the air is as crisp as the new season's collection. That's the promise of retail air. And because we believe in the power of a great shopping atmosphere, we're offering an exclusive promotion to make this essential investment even more appealing. It's our way of helping malls provide an environment where every visit is a breath of fresh style, ready to refresh the air in your shopping haven. For more information on our products and how we can assist you, simply add my personal email from the homepage. Let's make every shopping trip a breath of satisfaction.